Turtle Wax has redefined the auto appearance category with the introduction of Turtle Wax spray and wipes products. The first of its kind, these car care products combine the control and performance of a traditional spray bottle and microfiber towel with the convenience of an automotive cleaning wipe, all in a travel-friendly size, easily stored in cup holders and doors. The 24 proprietary non-linting wipes start dry, adding streak-free versatility for the desired cleaning application, and with the use of the attached spray bottle, they won't dry out, allowing for longer use time versus the competition's traditional wipes. In this how-to video, we look at Turtle Wax Spray and Wipe Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This leather-specific 4-in-1 formula cleans, conditions, deodorizes, and protects all leather surfaces. Spray and Wipe Leather Cleaner and Conditioner does not contain harsh solvents and leaves behind a fresh leather scent and non-greasy plush feel for months to come. To start with Turtle Wax's spray and wipe products, twist the bottom portion to separate the shrink wrap at the perforated line and pull to remove the spray bottle from the canister. Then, starting from the center of the wipe roll, pull wipes through the canister's top and tear one sheet off at a time. For larger areas to be cleaned, spray product directly onto the surface and clean with a fresh wipe. Continue this process one work area at a time and replace the diluted wipe as necessary. For tighter, more controlled application, spray product directly onto a wipe and then apply to the desired surface to be cleaned, again replacing used wipes as needed. And with either of these methods, for excess cleanup when a previous wipe is too diluted to dry a surface, finish the area with a fresh dry wipe and buff to a clean, streak-free finish. Whether at home or on the go, the all-in-one cleaning package of Turtle Wax Spray and Wipe Leather Cleaner and Conditioner has your cleaning needs covered in ease, combining convenient storage with cleaning performance.